get my box. Yeah, I just figured out how to open it. You fold this. See? At least that's what I think of you. Wow, look at this. Lilla Rose. Start here. It's a welcome. Answers to your questions. Very nice. Okay, so here is what Lilla Rose is all about. Wow, these are pretty. Lilla Rose is a company where you can sell hair accessories. Wow, these are pretty. Look how cute they are. Let me take them out of the package. Oh, I like these. These are really going to be very nice. Look. Oop. Look how pretty these hair accessories are. And then they bend too. Look at that. Very pretty. Put really nice style with these. I think that's the large. And this is the this is the extra large, I believe. Let's see. Yes, so I signed up under Sherry, the homespun wife. And I've been watching her, and we're friends on Facebook, and I just absolutely loved it. And I finally decided that I would love to become a representative for Lilla Rose hair accessories, the hair clips. And there's no pressure on selling. You can sell as little or as much as you want, and there is no quota to meet, and you don't have to worry about anyone calling you and checking up on you in that sense. But look at this. It's very nice. Oh, I can't wait to use these in my hair. So they have various different sizes. Oh, here's the little mini one. Look how cute the little mini one is. And then the next one up. This is the extra small. So this one is extra small. Look. Aren't those adorable? Oh, I just love these. They're so pretty. This is going to be great. So this is my little thing here that I'm doing. It comes with all these comes with business cards. And let's see, product information. I think these are going to be very pretty to wear in your hair, especially like fashionable accessories from under 10. Look at this. Especially in the spring and summertime for like graduations and proms. Prom's probably finished already. weddings, who knows. And then you have your retail order forms. Ready, Set, Bloom. And let's see. So it comes with a lot of different things. Style Boutique. I think this is like a catalog. Very nice, very friendly, very, it shows you all the different hair accessories here. I think it's really nice. Look at that. Yep. So this is a new little, I would say a new venture in my life that I'm doing, becoming a Lilla Rose representative. And I thought I'd just share it with you. And yeah, it's really nice. I love it. It's really, the accessories are really pretty. I just love these things. You put like a French twist, or you could even wear like a bun or something. I mean, of course you have to fix your hair to make it look nice, but really nice. I love this so much. Look at that. Very pretty. I like them. So I just thought, since the package came, I thought I'd just share with you when I open it. My Lilla Rose, becoming a new fresh representative for the company. Really nice. And the startup is not expensive at all. Really, really, really reasonable. And you get a lot of things for the price to start up. Really nice. Okay, friends, so I just thought I'd come on and just show you a little bit of, you know, something new that's going on in my life. Becoming a Lilla Rose representative. Of course, Izzy has to get in the picture. That one's pretty. So that's it, friends. Just wanted to share, that's all. Not asking anyone to purchase anything, but just thought I'd share and unbox and like I said. Okay, friends, so thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great Memorial Day. And by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. And if any other channel has referred you to my channel, please let me know, and let me know who referred you to my channel. That way I can give them a thanks and a shout out as well. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great weekend. Bye.